wanna go back to 2018. Wanna go back to when I was happy. So take me back to California. Take me back.
Hello my good people, welcome back to my channel. The people, for those who are new in my channel, subscribe, comment and share. So actually today is on Saturday. I'm just wake up. It is 8:00 African time. I've just wake up and I'm very late, so as you can see I'm just walking around the compound so that I can wash my teeth. I woke very late because I slept late. So my good people, kindly if you are ready to my channel, subscribe so that you can hit that 1000 subscribers. I will say thanks. As you can see, it's around the morning hours. The sun is just a nice. Just I can try to share you. So here I am. I just begin YouTube, my YouTube channel, just 4 months ago. So my people, what I would like to say, you, my audience, is just to help me reaching that 1000 subscribers. And comment, share your hand as you raise your hand, watching or subscribing, comment, like, is also support, a big support, my people. So kindly subscribe to my channel so that we can grow together. It's a very nice morning, a Saturday morning that everyone has wake up. I need to thank God for this day. And today I didn't even read the verse, but later I'll tell you the verse and I'll read it for you. So today guys, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you yesterday on when I was live. I showed you the dam. So today I'm going to show you the estuaries of the river, the channels of the river. One of the good river I'm going to show you today, Balafam. But I think many of you enjoy it and will like it. So stay tuned, comment and share so that people can grow together. And I have amazing things, but not today. Later on I'm going to show you the way our kitchen garden have grown. We have skuma there, onions and some vegetables. Nice one. I'm going to show you, but not now. So stay tuned, subscribe, comment and share. As you lift your hand to those things that I show you, subscribing, share, like and comment, I will say thanks and God will bless you, my people. Kindly go and do so. Help me to reach 1000 subscribers. Thank you. God bless you. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you a nice channel or a river. Not, is that not actually a river? Because of the that's where people are taking water from, drinking water. I know many people you ask question why are they taking water? It's the same place, but that's a good place, and they enjoy it, taking good water, drinking water from there. So I'm going to show you today. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. I'm J People. So today we are actually, I may say, we are roasting maize with the young sister called Munyonyo, or you can call her Esther. As you can see, she's trying to. What are you doing?
I'm wearing the cover.
You are preparing the maize. So guys, welcome. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you are new here. Comment, like and share. Speak in English.
Usikwenda shule.
So you are not even in school.
Antelezingera sana kama naji.
You speak English. Why are you speaking Kiswahili and the vernacular language?
Untiga uigui. Dia sabe mahindi dok ko sambe agaura liko.
So should I wait Muindi?
Ngake.